Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Sony Xperia 5V, a smartphone that's been turning heads for its unique approach in a crowded market. We'll explore its design, cameras, performance, and more to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Let's start with the design. The Xperia 5V maintains Sony's distinctive aesthetic with a slim, matte metal frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 front and back, ensuring durability. It comes in three sleek colors: platinum silver, blue, and black. The 6.1-inch FHD OLED display offers vibrant colors and supports a static refresh rate of either 60 Hz or 120 Hz. Though it lacks the adaptive LTPO tech found in some competitors. Moving on to cameras, Sony equips the Xperia 5V with a 52 megapixels main sensor with Zeiss optics, a 12 megapixels ultrawide, and a 12 megapixels front-facing camera. While it lacks a telephoto lens, the Xperia impresses with its photo and video capabilities, especially with features like optical steady shot stabilization and advanced photography modes like Photography Pro. Under the hood, the Xperia 5V packs a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It delivers solid performance across the board, though it falls slightly behind newer flagships in raw benchmarks like Geekbench scores. Nevertheless, everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking are handled smoothly. Battery life is a standout feature here, thanks to its 5000 mAh battery. It supports USB Power Delivery 3.0 for wired charging and 10W wireless charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day without issues. On the software side, the Xperia 5V runs on Android 13, with an upgrade path to Android 14. Sony's software enhancements include a range of creative tools for photo and video editing, catering to enthusiasts who enjoy tweaking their media. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia 5V stands out with its compact yet feature-rich design, strong battery life, and powerful camera capabilities. It's a compelling choice for users who prioritize media creation and durability in a smartphone. However, its availability and some hardware choices might not appeal to everyone. That wraps up our review of the Sony Xperia 5V. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, helping you make informed tech decisions. Thanks for watching.